Moving to Portugal is exciting, but learning the language can feel intimidating. While you don't need to be fluent to get by, knowing a few key phrases can make a big difference in your everyday interactions. These essential Portuguese phrases will help you connect with locals, navigate daily life, and make you feel more at home. Here are 9 Portuguese phrases every expat should learn. I'm Liz Bob, the expat's assistant, here to help you feel more confident and connected in Portugal. Bom dia, boa tarde, boa noite, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Greeting people is important in Portuguese culture, and using these phrases goes a long way in showing respect. Start your day with a warm bom dia, good morning until midday, boa tarde, good afternoon in the afternoon, and boa noite, good night in the evening. Using the right greeting at the right time helps you connect with locals and shows that you're making an effort to learn the language. Por favor, obrigado, please, thank you. Politeness goes a long way, and por favor, please, and obrigado, thank you, are essential. If you're a man, use obrigado, and if you're a woman, use obrigada to say thank you. These simple words can make interactions friendlier, whether you're ordering at a cafe, asking for help, or simply showing appreciation. Portuguese people value politeness, so knowing these basics will help you fit in. Desculpe, com licença, pardon me. Desculpe, and com licença, pardon me, are handy for getting someone's attention or politely asking for space. Desculpe can also be used to apologize if you accidentally bump into someone. Whether you're navigating a crowded market or asking someone for directions, these phrases help you interact politely and show respect for personal space. Fala inglês? Do you speak English? In major cities, many people speak English, but it's always polite to ask first. Fala inglês is a quick way to check if someone speaks English, showing that you're considerate of their language. If the answer's no, don't worry. Many locals appreciate the effort, and gestures and smiles often go a long way. Just trying to speak a bit of Portuguese can make a positive impression. Just a quick reminder, the first and most important step before moving to Portugal is getting your NIF, your tax identification number. Without it, you can't work, find accommodation, or open a bank account. I can help you get your NIF remotely in just a few days. Just click the link in the description below. Quanto custa? How much does it cost? Whether you're shopping in a market or ordering a meal, knowing how to ask quanto custa, how much does it cost, is incredibly useful. This phrase will help you navigate shopping and avoid misunderstandings. Even if you're still learning numbers in Portuguese, vendors are usually happy to help and may even write down the price. It's a practical phrase that's easy to remember and will help you feel more confident. Onde fica? Getting around is much easier when you know how to ask for directions. Use onde fica followed by your destination to ask where is. For example, onde fica o mercado means where is the market? This phrase is helpful for exploring new areas, finding essential services, and even asking for recommendations. Locals will appreciate the effort, and you'll find navigating your surroundings becomes much simpler. Quick tip for expats. If you're moving to Portugal, I've got online courses that make life here so much easier. Banking, taxes, healthcare, you name it. And the best part? You can try them free for 30 days. Check the link below, and now, back to the video. Café, por favor, a coffee, please. Coffee culture is a big part of life in Portugal, and café, por favor, a coffee, please, is a phrase you'll likely use often. In Portugal, café usually means an espresso, the most popular way to enjoy coffee here. Ordering a coffee is a great way to practice your Portuguese and engage with locals. It's a simple phrase, but it can open up opportunities for friendly exchanges and small talk. Pode ajudar-me? Can you help me? Whether you're lost, need assistance with shopping, or have a question about local customs, pode ajudar-me? Can you help me? Is a valuable phrase to know. Portuguese people are generally friendly and willing to help, especially when you ask politely. This phrase is useful in a variety of situations and shows that you're trying to engage in Portuguese, which locals always appreciate. A conta, por favor. The bill, please. When you're finished with a meal or drink, simply say a conta, por favor. The bill, please, to ask for the check. In Portugal, it's typical to ask for the bill rather than expect it to be brought automatically, so knowing this phrase is essential. It's a polite and practical way to wrap up your dining experience, and the server will appreciate your effort to communicate in Portuguese. I hope these phrases help you feel more at home in Portugal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on expat life. See you soon!